Welcome to Auto. In this video, I will show you how to change your Roblox region and account location in 2025 with a full step-by-step guide.
Change region in Roblox account settings. Step 1. Open a browser and go to Roblox.com. Step 2. Log in with your Roblox account. Step 3. Click the gear icon at the top right corner. Step 4. Select Settings from the menu. Step 5. Scroll down to Personal Account Info. Step 6. Find the country region option. Step 7. Choose your new country from the drop-down list. Step 8. Click Save to update your region. Change region in Roblox mobile app. Step 1. Open the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android. Step 2. Tap the three dots at the bottom right corner. Step 3. Go to Settings. Step 4. Tap Account Info. Step 5. Select Country Region.